everybody. Hello, welcome back. สวัสดีครับทุกคน I'm taking you along. It is that time again, not Thailand, but it is holiday time. Oh my goodness, my nose is gone. And it's time to go get some last summer sun before it turns to winter. We are going to Corfu of Greece. So very excited. We thought we'd switch up a little bit compared to previous years that we had gone to Italy, because although they were amazing and it's probably our favourite country in Europe, we felt like something a bit more laid back and a little bit one that we could lounge about and looking for excursions every day. So that's how we settled on Corfu. It's currently 3:30 on the 15th of September. So who knows when you're going to see this? Probably like February. It's probably my usual moaning at the airport about how everyone's drinking at 2 a.m. The spirits are high, even though I probably look a bit exhausted. But yeah, let's see how this goes. Let's see how it goes forth. We're excited. And I'll definitely become more excited as the literally back to say as I always do. I will never understand the drinking culture at airports. It's 5:30. Why am I watching you down bottles of wine? I mean, it's slightly more acceptable, but I'm literally off to buy a bottle of water and like a tuna sandwich. Not even for me. I might get a wee juice, but you know, my usual self is a little drink, a little snack, but nothing crazy. I'm really not that hungry, especially not this time of the morning, so we'll see what happens. I have secured the goods. It was far busier in there than I first ever imagined, but I have everything I need. I got like the smoothest flight. I slept like a baby. And we're here. Our hotel's gorgeous. I'm not filmed too much. Obviously I've just arrived and checked in. But it is the infamous room tour. So, I'm gonna flip you around. We come in, I'm at the door. We're gonna go to the right first. I've got a cheeky little bathroom. Well, not cheeky little. Everyone needs a bathroom, so maybe might freshen up before we go. Lots of wardrobe space considering how big my case is. Love. Then we're gonna go this way. We've got all the beds. Mother. And then to the main focal point. Oh, it's a heavy door. We have... Oh, that is really heavy. Goodness gracious. Oh my god, I'm still going. So, this might not be everybody's cup of tea. However, I think it's going to be sick. That is the runway where you land. And that's where the airport is. So I think, like... I know it's not everybody's cup of tea. I think this is going to be sick. Like, I'm going to see the sea all day. Do you know what I mean? At the beach and at the restaurant, at the pool. So this is cute. I like this. That's cool. We're off for a gander around the hotel, so I'm going to take you on a little mini tour of the facilities and what it looks like. The reception area. So I believe there's some Greek music here tonight in the lobby bar. So this is cute. Oh! And this is the main event. There's like a little bar area here. And then you go over. And here we are. of many. The first of many. First of many, as I said. The chips are a bit cool. We were going to just kind of chill before dinner, but we have now decided to go for a swim. So Mum and I are off to have a wee swim at the pool. Threw on some V-vest top and some shorts. And yeah, we'll be off to the pool. It's like 5:30, so we won't be there for long. We're just going for a wee dip. Get a wee appetite for dinner, you know, work it up. The tanning has begun. I mean, as you can see, I'm literally like a polar bear and I reflect heat and reflect the sun. But you know, we're trying our best. Probably hate something though, I can't lie, if it is so boring. But this isn't for a long one. It's just, yeah, it's bliss though. But I'm probably gonna go for a swim rather than sit in the sun and like dry off in the sun. Hello, hello. Excuse if you can hear the shower in the back. But yeah, we're getting ready for dinner. It's currently 7 p.m. Till 1 we'll go for dinner. I'll take you along. We are actually half board, so we have breakfast and dinner in the hotel. But I have heard great things about the dinner. So, but yeah, and I think we might just have like another little gander around the hotel complex. I don't think we're gonna go into the old town tonight. I think that'll be more of a day 2, day 3 kind of thing until we get our boundaries at the hotel or something. So we may just grab like a little drink there, and yeah, I really don't feel like I'm gonna put on. If I do, it'll be the lightest thing. I don't think I will though. Drink and then that'll call it an evening. I don't think we're going too far, so I'll take you along for the ride as always, but don't think it'll be too crazy. Have a little bit of an early night, get some early breakfast in the morning, get down to the beach or the pool early, then do that before it gets too hot. Maybe we'll venture out then. So yeah, oh my god, all my skincare is like watery because it's warmer. Oh, it's hilarious. But oh, feeling good, guys. All my stress and bodily pains are all like alleviated. The heat does wonder for my back pain. If you don't know, I have severe back issues, but I don't let it stop me that I gym every day and go play tennis and stuff because we don't let things get in the way. But yeah, I shall see you when I see you next. I probably will bring you down to dinner just to see if I can like give you a wee show. Oh, just pure, utter relaxation and bliss. Pretty much. What's the time? 7:15? On a Monday when it's a storm back home. Goodness. And dinner. Each night is a theme night, so it's Asian food tonight, I believe. So it's me fine. But I'm sure there will be some Korean food to munch on as well. But I don't want to be too into the spacey, so I'll see what I can do and like show you the food. I might try my best, but I no promises, right? No promises. My verdict. The food. Okay, I should have taken it, but come on, before I start eating. It looked a lot nicer. Oh my god. It's delicious. It's really delicious. There's a lot of variety. It's all so fresh. I've got noodles, I've got mussels, salmon, green beans, eggplants, red peppers. Oh, it's delicious. The Corfu kind of covering it all, but we have like a chicken pie. We have, I can't remember what it's called. Orzo. Then under the orzo, there's more. Then I've got some koftas and some swordfish. Literally, I called for swordfish. Was the one thing I wanted to eat today, and I've got it. So I'm happy.